Meaning of flinch.
flinch,
Flinch.
flinch,
Flinch. Flinch refers to a quick, involuntary movement or reaction in response to a sudden stimulus or threat. This could be a physical flinch, such as jerking away from an unexpected touch or loud sound, or a mental flinch, such as feeling unease or anxiety when confronted with a difficult situation or unpleasant memory. The result of flinching can vary depending on the context, but it often involves a momentary loss of composure or control, and may be accompanied by feelings of embarrassment or vulnerability.